Hello friends, good morning. In this video, we are going to take a look at the commodity market opportunities. So welcome to a video with commodity market with SD, and I'm SD Shanando Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. And in this type of analysis, what we are doing, we are not doing fundamental, global macro or the sentiment analysis. We are taking a much more look through the technical analysis window. And for technical analysis, मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूं मेरा खुद का सेटअप माय ओन सेटअप मैं इस्तेमाल करता हूं दैट इज रेनबो एसेट मास्टर और टू क्रिएट द फाउंटेन ऑफ गोल्ड एस डी आर एस आई एक्स मुझे चाहिए और चाहिए एस डी रेनबो V1 और एसेट मास्टर एंड जब मैं कॉमोडिटी करता हूं उसमें मैं कॉमोडिटी सिलेक्ट कर लेता हूं आई सिलेक्ट द कॉमोडिटी सेटअप विद इन एस डी रेनबो एसेट मास्टर and largely I take a look at through 125 minutes chart and daily chart. Like when the time is more volatile, not a stable one, 125 minutes served me as a better time frame to do entry exits. When things are more stable, ready to go for longer swings, then daily becomes a more suitable choice. In the second half of the year, usually if the volatility goes up, where 125 minutes becomes an important, crucial part of the play. So S&P GSCI, it's clear broadly what we can see is daily chart. It's bearish. It's taken a turn for the bearish, but overall more muted. Preferred trades buy breakout, buy support. It's a mixed market. So some of the weaknesses I think largely driven by crude oil. Crude oil has heavy influence over S&P GSCI. Now, first, let's look at the base metals. Copper, this is trade has overall gone well and still going well. It is remains bearish. Some warnings are there. Now, we look through 125 minutes chart. It's taking another plunge, another round of dip. And it is basically, we don't have a sell signal yet after this buy signal. Once the sell signal appears, how to place sell signal? Press Alt A, rainbow buy, you have rainbow sell. So place the sell signal, and once the sell signal appears, you might go for another round of entry. And as the upper time frame is not bullish, you can avoid the buy trades right now. You're interested in more doing the sell trades, and 125 minute sell signal should serve as a good entry point. Next, we are taking a look at aluminium through 125 minutes chart. Latest bounce back in aluminium is not working. In 125 minutes, simply same, place a sell order, rainbow sell, and this will appear the green. There will be a red dot, red circle appearing. That will be our cue to go short on aluminium. Next, we are taking a look at zinc. Zinc has broken lower. You can see it is a clear Dow structure break, though we don't have a sell signal right now with the 125 minutes chart, but nonetheless, this will be more clear when it be closing time around 11 o'clock around. When the candle closes, it will be much clearer, but it has a Dow structure. First of all, that's important to me. I like the Dow structure, and Dow structure means this is lower high and this is a lower low, and we have a strong resistance around 282 area. So, and this 282 area is also, I can see a flat zone going up to this 281.45 to 281.90. So this area is going to act as a strong resistance. Let's look at the second month of zinc. Once again, it is movement is quite clear. It is strong resistance around 282, and from there we don't have a confirmed sell signal or full red candle yet, but the Dow structure is beautiful. Possibly we didn't have this signal yet. yes, this high is not yet broken. So this candle considers a lot of things when giving out the price action reading via the color changes. तो जिंक जो मुझे दिख रहा है, जिंक फर्दर ब्रेकडाउन एक बार 278.3 के नीचे जाने लगा, that will be a more confirmed signal to go for shorting zinc. And currently, if anyone shorting, the stop loss has to be 281.95. That means 2,600 rupees per mini contract and almost 13,000 rupees per mega contract. Now, largely, I am not taking a bet on lead. Lead is also giving the similar structural breakdown, but it's as mixed candle, not a fan of lead. Then we'll go to gold and silver. For gold, silver, we always look at the international chart, and gold, I do not largely see the 125 minutes, except for the means I give C for fine tuning, but I give much greater weightage to daily chart in case of gold and silver. So this is bullish, but white cross is still outside the candle body, which is continue to serve as a warning that things are not fully healthy in gold yet. XAG USD is the silver, not able to sustain the bullish momentum push. I'm not into silver, but gold I'm into. I'm closely watching. I've taken a marginal position and I'm waiting for the candle to become normal and further bullish thirst on the upside to add on to the quantity. Next, we are looking at US crude oil, similar chart what we saw in S&P GSCI. Crude oil, I do have finally a right bearish candle. We'll go to the 125 minutes chart, and in 125 minutes charts, it's range bound. So even though I have the right candle, I'll not be preferring to short crude oil unless crude is moving below this line. Once it starts moving below this line, then only crude can become interesting to go short. Currently, what I'm seeing is completely a range bound movement. Very, very tight range bound movement. Same picture you'll be able to see if you see India specific chart, similar range bound picture. Even though buyers are trying to make a comeback, well, for now we'll avoid unless with confidence we are seeing the range is breaking. The background trend here is turning bullish, green. Then only we'll think about crude oil. What you can do is you can put an alert here, short trend, use this alert. Short trend bullish, and also the break of this top line. So these two in crude oil you want to remain alert with, and also a breakdown below this. So breakdown alert zarurat nahi. For the breakdown alert, what you can do is background bearish. Means short trend bearish. Next is natural gas, going very well. The short we discussed that natural gas was the only one looking good for shorting. So natural gas going very well. The shorting is going very well. बीच में correction आ रहा है, marginal correction are coming, but overall natural gas remains still on the bearish side. We'll continuously, I'm looking for bearish opportunities like these buying opportunities. I'm not interested as the upper time frame and the main time frame of mine is bearish. Now natural gas can see some base formation, but we don't jump to buy unless the setup gives out proper signal. So it is coming close to an important level. We can see stopovers. It could be good time to book some profit, but we haven't reached that point yet. 125 minutes will 100% show me that when to square off my position. It is yet not signaled that I should go for squaring off the position. So that's all friends. Thank you so much for watching my commodity video. अगर अच्छा लगा आपको don't forget to put a thumbs up. All the best from my side. And as always, happy trading.